We're going to go and open up the design data form for road 1. So go up to the ribbon, click on the design data form button, and then left click close to road 1. Again, you can always right click and select it from a list. We're going to expand the variations on the left hand side. And in there you can see all of the design variations we've added within this particular module, all of which can be edited through this particular form. When you add many variations onto a particular string, you may find that the list of variations can become quite overwhelming. To assist with this, we have a final variation, which is simply a comment, a piece of text or a header, to enable you to indent some of these variations and have them separated. To do this, you go down to the Add Entry button down the bottom left-hand corner. And then within the list, you'll see an option called Comment. So go ahead and select that and then click OK. This is simply a piece of text. It does not impact how your variations will operate. For the final variation, we change the REB code, and by doing so, change the crossfall. We're going to put a comment in here to separate these variations. So type in the following comment. Once you type this in, you can put something similar. At the end of the day, this is for you to understand what exactly the variation is doing. You can click on Add Update, and you can see that it gets added to the bottom of the list. So what we're going to do is to move that so it sits above these two variations. So we're going to select it from the list and move the comment up. You can add as many of these as you want. At the end of the day, there is no harm in being as descriptive as possible. It's a really helpful way of managing your variations. In addition, you can also export the entire content of this form as a single file. So if you want to go ahead and make some significant changes for maybe an alternative option or a different stage, you can click on the Export Data button. When you click on the Export Data button, you'll be sent straight to your data folder. You'll be encouraged to create a .desdat file, which includes your string name. You can click on Save. Whenever you open up any other string, it could include this string, you can then click on Import Data. You'll be sent to exactly the same location, which happens to be your data folder, and you can go ahead and select the file and import it. So you can create multiple versions of templates and variations, and including the batter overrides on a single string, and then export them to save them, and then import them to bring them back in. Close down the design data form.